Fix Windows Update Error 0x80090017. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Attempt an automatic repair with the troubleshooter. A built-in tool known as Windows Update Troubleshooter can help you identify problems when it comes to updating failures. Fix 2. Check relevant services. Windows updates require several services to be running in the background for them to install correctly. If they are already running, you can try restarting them instead. Follow these steps. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 4. Run SFC and DISM. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.